Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to Grumpy Monkey Garage. We're doing some continuation on the Corolla repairs for the restoration procedures. We've got a blinker cover missing on this side, and the entire assembly just kind of deleted on that side. So we're going to show you a quick video on how to replace this whole blinker cover assembly. Stay tuned.
I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.
So what you're going to do to replace the blinker covers, you're going to order some new ones on the old internet because you'll never find any of these in junkyards because this is such a common issue. Every single Corolla has had the blinker covers fall off. I don't know why. Maybe they had crappy adhesive. It doesn't really matter. We just need to fix it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out this one screw, which is located right here above the headlight. And you're going to look like a genius because some idiot has Play-Dohed this back together. We're going to just get a hold of this. We're going to take this screw out. We're going to make sure not to drop it here. I'm going to do the right thing. I'm going to put this where I won't lose it, which is up here on the shock tower, so it won't fall in there. Then there's nothing else holding this in. So what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of massage it out of its position. And yours should not be this hard because yours probably hasn't been Play-Dohed in by a crackhead. There we go. All right. Now back here, we've got a plug. We're just going to push on this. Oh, nope. We're going to twist it to the left, actually. We're going to remove the whole bulb and everything. Somebody appears to have done some handiwork there as well. There's our broken piece, so we're just going to delete on that. And come over here and take our new one. Now you can replace the light bulb. Our light bulb doesn't want to come out, and it still works. So we're just going to delete on this light bulb. Take the new one. That's in all the way. Then we'll get this tab in the back lined up with this fender. I don't know if you just saw that. It's this gray tab back here. Ah! Go in. And you're going to find out what they've done that has caused an obstruction. Aha! It's because this is broken here. You need to get this broken piece of plastic junk out. So allow me to get a screwdriver. Yeah, we're gonna need a flathead for it. We'll get that out because that is actually off the old one. This is what's supposed to be in there. Okay, so we've deleted on the broken piece that was stuck in there. I just used a pick and a screwdriver, and as I was trying to get it out, it exploded into 1,000 pieces. So that took care of itself. So now we're going to try to reinstall with less problems. So you're trying to line this peg up here and this peg up into here. And obviously we're going to do our lighting is kind of important. So we're going to line this up and get this turned in very nicely. Nice. All right. So now I'm going to slide this over the fender. I'm going to get that lined up beautifully. I'm going to get this lined up beautifully. And the world is perfect right now. Except for the fact that this was mismanufactured. It still doesn't line up perfect, so of course you might have to do some fancy artwork by kind of forcing screws and things because nothing's ever made correctly in the post-COVID world. Everything is just junk. But you know what? There's going to be a light cover on here, damn it. And that makes us road legal, so we're going to be happy. And you know what? It wasn't that far off because it just went in. We've got the plastic clip here and the plastic clip here installed. We've got the screw in, and we're going to check and see if our blinker works now. And I bet it does. And that is how you'll change these blinker covers. The 1998 to 2002 Toyota Corollas. It's a very easy job. You need a screwdriver and a possible pick or a stick. Nothing is going to take you any specialty tools. You can replace these yourself. I think I got these, I don't even remember where I got them, but I'll post a link in the description where you can get the correct parts for this generation of Corolla. As you saw in here, this one wasn't exactly manufactured perfect, but they do fit with a little bit of wiggling, and you can get it in there. And then you're back street legal and all your lights are fixed. So we'll see you next time on Grumpy Monkey Garage, probably for a continuation of the Corolla repair series. Catch you next time, and be sure to subscribe.
Thank you.